is my form. When I do this, we practice this drill. Back, 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 back. We do this form drill all the time. We do 1, 2, hack. And if you hit one's form, you'll know it's been there a long time. So many people ask me about that. What's Sensei? Okay, what if it keeps like this? What are you gonna do? Right? So you ask someone who look this. So what are you gonna do with like, like all he got as hard as he can. Oh, I'll put my hand there. Put more into it. All I'm doing is putting my forearm here. I didn't hit him. Okay? Like, you know, this person is holding me, and he's doing that. You know, he is hitting as hard as he can. I'll give him 5 quick shots if he can do it. This is just your form. Now, this is 1. And I can control here. Okay, so like 2. Now he's going number 8. How many 8s can you do? Same thing. Same thing, number 8. Boom. I go down. Number 9. How many 9s can you do? Same thing. So I have to be able to tap that as much as I can. I have to be able to tap that as much as I can. I have to be able to tap that as much as I can. That is the real reason we do what we do. But if it's slow, understand the move. 1, control it. 2, redirect it. 3, and later you start to build all of these things. This here. This here. Okay, my hip to this shoulder is going here. This is all I'm doing. Now, of course, I can do all of these things boom, afterwards, but I'm just showing you one part of doing this and this. So when I go here, I want to push that all the way to his other shoulder. Okay, so one more time. So push it to the shoulder here. He doesn't like that, so there he goes. He grabs this. He comes back, and my hand is here to defend. My 4 walls, all of these things that I want to do. Yes, all this I can also do later, but this 4 walls is where I want to be. I bring this down. And like I said to the Aikido guys, look where I am. I can start beginning doing all these circles. But when I drop down and I start to bring it down to one of those locks, he's going to stop my elbow, so I will do it. Okay, so I'm here, back to 5. 2. Bring it down, stops my elbow. I roll it up. Here's my defense, always on my side. Drop it down. So I know this is the closest for me to go. Not turning my body and catching the legs. This is where I'm going later, too. Now when I bring it down, he'll stop it. And look where I am on my shuffle here. So I take it away. And then I'm back to my shuffle again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 down. And I'm back. Right, but it's again the same drill. My partner is helping me. He's not going to kill me. But I have to also be, able to do what I need to do. So at 5, I have to be able to hit this hand. And it doesn't hurt him. So he does at 5. That's where I am, I'm at 5. So I'm here. I just trying to catch that elbow. Okay? This is me just practicing this touching of this hand. I want to be able to do this. And 55, 8. This is how I am. 8, here. And if I try to hit it and it changes to 9, I want to be able to touch here. This is very simple. This is not the door buzz. I'm not going into the temple then, because this is what's going to happen. That is exactly what's going to happen. But if I'm here, that's what I'm trying to do. If he comes with 2 strikes, this is what's going to happen. If he comes with 3 strikes, this is what's going to happen. Okay? So now I'm learning just to still do the same moves, but a little bit safer. They're not killing each other. So, and if mistakes happen, when you swing a blade, I have my helmet to protect myself, and I can still work in McDonald's tomorrow. So, I can still get French fries. So I'm covering, and I'm back up. So I'm there, rule 1, 2, 3. That is all I am doing. I am practicing being able to those 3 angles. Okay, so give it a try. Take it slow. Don't kill yourself. I'm going to do it for a few more minutes. So I don't want to, I know it's still 5, but we'll go